What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mike. I wanted to bring you a video for the must-win Amazon RGB rock lights. It's been about a month already. Just want to give you guys an update. These things have been pretty good so far. Haven't had any problems with them. They haven't dimmed or anything like that. These are actually some pretty good rock lights. Once again, picked them up from Amazon. These are the must-win rock lights. Let me pan around so you guys can see it. All right, guys, so here we go right here. As you can see, they're still pretty good. Haven't had any problems with them. They've been holding up pretty good. It's been about a month since I've had these installed on the vehicle, and they're actually pretty good. I mean, other than the brightness, I would say the quality of them really isn't that great, but for the price, you know, it's right. So if you're looking to do this mod to your vehicle, Amazon must win. Pick these up for, I believe, right around $70 something. I will post the item down here in the bottom in the description, and these are the rock lights right here. So these are the must win RGB LED rock lights. Picked these up from Amazon. Gotta say, these are actually some pretty good rock lights. Haven't had any problems with them. Truck's a little bit dirty. Haven't had a chance to wash it. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna get down and take it down to the washateria and get it washed up. But other than that, these lights have been holding up pretty good. Give you a little display of them. That's the blue light. That's the white, the green, red. These are some really good rock lights for the price. Yeah, like I said, I've had no complaints with these lights. They're actually pretty good. Could be a little bit brighter, but once again, for the price, you can't complain. Again, these are the must-win RGB LED rock lights, and I will put the link in the description. Had these for a little bit over a month now, and these things are still good. I figured they'd give me some problems, but they really haven't given me any problems. So if you guys are looking to purchase this, I'll put the link down in the description for you to pick them up where you can pick them up at. And also got a few more things I've done to the truck. This video's coming soon. So this is what we got going on right here. Nice little addition to the truck right here. So I picked these up as well too. Some Kenwood 6x8 KFC C681s. Also installed a Kenwood amp. I just installed it today. Got the video of that coming. But you guys stay tuned for this. All right, you guys. So that's the 1 month update on the Amazon must-win RGB rock lights. First off, I just want to thank all of my subscribers who subscribe to the channel. We're at 45 subscribers. That's actually pretty good. I'm excited about it. Wish it was more, but I know with time, as we grow, we get better. More subscribers will come, but I just want to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to the channel, who supported me. I got great content coming still, but that is the 1 month update for the Amazon RGB ROCK lights. Again, do you guys got any questions? Leave them down in the bottom in the comment sections. I will reply back to you. But once again, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, staying with me. We do have a lot more content coming. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And do not forget, we got the 100 subscriber giveaway. Everybody's qualified to win. All you got to do is enter to win. As soon as we hit that 100 subscriber mark, we are going to post another video, and we're going to go from there. We're going to give you guys details. And once we get there, and once again, guys, I'm just thankful. I'm so happy, excited that, you know, I'm at 45 subscribers already. May not mean much to other people, but it means a lot to me. So I just want to thank you guys for hanging in there with me. And don't forget, we got the review on the Kenwood 6x8s, as long as with the Kenwood amp. And you guys stick around for that video. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy, Coyote Mike, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you, guys.